Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make cassava in coconut sauce known as Muhogo wa nazi in Kiswahili. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a pot, add cassava which has been cutted into small pieces like this. Then you'll add water and a bit of salt and cover the cassava to let it cook till the cassava starts getting soft. Don't let the cassava to be fully soft because you're going to cook the cassava once more in coconut milk. When the cassava starts to get soft like this, remove from the fire and drain the water. Then afterwards, add the boiled cassava, 1 medium sliced onion, and 1 cup and a half of light coconut milk and a bit of salt. You can add green chilies if you want spicy, and let the cassava cook till it's completely soft and the coconut sauce is less. Your cassava has to be like this. Don't let the sauce to be completely dry. You will need a bit of sauce. Then afterwards remove the cassava and place it aside. In a small pot, add a half cup of heavy coconut milk. Then cook the coconut till it becomes more heavier. When the coconut milk is more heavier, remove it from the fire and place it aside. Put the cooked cassava into a bowl or a large plate because you're going to add the heavy coconut milk on top. Then add the heavy coconut milk on top of the cassava as you can see in the video, and your cassava is ready. And your coconut cassava is ready as you can see in the video. You can eat along with fried fish or shrimps or meat or anything you like and enjoy your coconut cassava. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of cassava, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.